Welcome back. Rosary College from Navili won the Inter-College Stenocoid Championship organized by Goa University. They defeated Mallikarjun College from Kankon in an exciting final on Wednesday at the university ground.
Savira Pirish of Rosary College beat Prajoti Varik of Mallikarjun College 21-10, 21-13, while Karina Fernandez of Rosary College lost to Nitisha Kalgutkar of Mallikarjun College 18-21, 14-21. In the deciding doubles, Savira Pirish and Nitra Fernandez of Rosary beat Prajoti Varik and Nitisha Kalgutkar of Mallikarjun 21-12, 19-21, 22-21. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The stage for the Premier National Football Club competition is set. The I-League involving 14 teams will kick off on Thursday in Mumbai with defending champions Musli Power Churchill Brothers taking on local side Mahindra United at the Cooperage ground.
Varga-based Churchill Brothers are the in-form team in India right now. Coached by a Brazilian, Carlos Alberto Pereira da Silva, Churchill Brothers have started the season in a tremendous fashion. Two big national titles in the form of IFA Shield and Durand Cup in a span of a fortnight has established Churchill Brothers as the overwhelming favourites to begin the I-League. Captain Odafa Ukoli is in a sensational form, the kind of form that saw the Nigerian goal machine bag the Golden Boot in last season's I-League. That apart, starting the I-League away from home against the I-League regulars in Mahindra United could pose a little test for the Goan club. Dempo Sports Club, Sporting Club the Goa and Salgaonkar Sports Club are the other three teams in the I-League competition. Dempo have one of the most powerful team in this season's I-League with as many as 7 India internationals in Climax Lawrence, Mahesh Gauli, Samir Naik, Anthony Pereira, Clifford Miranda and new signings Sunil Chetri and Anwar Ali. Brazilian midfielder Beto and Nigerian forward Randy Martins have also been very important players for Dempo over the recent years. However, coach Armando Colasso has been frustrated with the lack of time to prepare with all his players due to India duty in the pre-season. Three-time champions Dempo will start their campaign this year with an away game against Mumbai Football Club on October 3rd. Newly promoted Salgaonkar Sports Club will play their first match of the I-League at the Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on October 3rd against Kerala-based club Viva Kerala. With a new coach in American Tim Hankinson at the helm, former champions Salgaonkar are looking to chase their glory days. Similarly, Portuguese coach Roy Barreto is also in his first season in Indian football. He will taste the I-League flavour with Sporting Club's opener at home against Air India on October 4th. Tickets and season passes are on sale at the Nehru Stadium and at the Goa Football Association office.
The season pass rates are 500 and 800 rupees.
Okay. Does that come to any concession?
Yes, you get a big discount, especially if you are a football fan who likes to watch a number of matches. You pay for just about 50% of the matches.
Okay, and the tickets you said are priced 20 and 30.
That's right.
Now, is that divided into the West and North?
Yes, 30 rupees is the West End and 20 rupees is the North, South and East End.
Don't miss the detailed I-League preview that is coming your way on Saturday in Simply Sport. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Our video journalist Maruti Talwar has captured an amazing sight. It's a python which is very dangerous and large and muscular. They kill their prey by squeezing it until it suffocates. But what is amazing is the snake charmer who has so nicely and courageously trapped this python with his capabilities. Watch our video of the day and keep watching Prudent Media. Till then, goodbye and take care.